This is one big amusement. If you want to join a game, just text millionaire and send to this game. Our question is all about this game. If you have the knowledge about the experience of this game, join and experience the best of our game. Who's our contestant? This question.
Good evening everyone, I'm Christian Alminar, second year college from Parkland University. I joined this game because I want to support my studies and to help my family. So Mr. Randay, I'm ready to be a millionaire.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Christian Alminar. Good evening, Mr. Alminar. I will be a millionaire. Our first question is for 500 pesos. Who made the first attempt to deduce a rule for the combination of observation from the principle of theory and probability? A. Thomas Day. B. Christian Huygens. C. Pierre Simon Laplace. Or D. Daniel Bernoulli. We have a certificate to answer the question. The timer starts now. Letter C. The girl is beautiful and lovely. I ready to answer. Beautiful and lovely. What's your kind of answer? Letter C is correct. Our third question is for 2,000 pesos. Who study the combination of observation with common important topics? A. Berkovich and Laplace. B. Niccolo Bernoulli. C. Demure. D. Jacob Bernoulli. You have 30 seconds to answer the question. Time is starts now. And I is my weakness. 50-50. 50-50 is natagalan sa Romanes. Let's remove C and D, Demure and Jacob Bernoulli. The choices are Berkovich and Laplace and Niccolo Bernoulli. Let's choose letter A, Berkovich and Laplace. That's your final answer. Berkovich and Laplace. Correct. Our fourth question is worth 10,000 pesos. What's the name given in several related specification of probability which has in common the notion of probability as something that requires proof rather than frequency? A. Vision strength. B. Approximation. Letter B. Vision efficiency. Or letter D. Vision probability. You have 30 seconds. Time to start now. Answer is letter D. Vision probability. Vision probability is correct. Our sixth question is worth 50,000 pesos. What century did George Edward Bellambach become one of the most influential statisticians? A. 19th century, B. 20th century, C. 17th century, or D. 16th century? You have 30 seconds to answer that question.
This is letter B, 20th century.
20th century is correct. Number 7 is worth 100,000 pesos. What university Thomas Bates enrolled to study logic and theology? A. University of Edinburgh. B. Harvard University. C. University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Or letter D. University of Wisconsin-Madison. You have 30 seconds to answer that question. Time starts now.
This is letter A, University of Edinburgh.
Letter A. University of Edinburgh is correct. Our 8th question is worth 250,000 pesos. And the question is, who wrote the multiplication table on clay tablets and dealt with geometrical exercise and division problems? Is it A. Babylonian, B. Sumerian, C. Egyptian, or D. Greek? You have 30 seconds to answer the question.
And it's my lifeline.
Which life and
Or letter.
who would went for?
I went with D.
Let's contact Miss Dave.
Hello?
Hello, Miss Dave.
Yes?
This is Ryan Roger from What to Be a Millionaire. Mr. Christian Listener, it's okay to you?
It's okay.
The question is, who wrote the multiplication table on clay tablets and dealt with geometrical exercise and division problems? Is it A. Babylonian, B. Sumerian, C. Egyptian, or D. Greek?
I think it's letter D, Sumerian.
I stick to my best friend's position. I answer is letter B, Sumerian.
B. Sumerian is correct. Our 9th question is worth 500,000 pesos. In the late 19th century, British statisticians began his investigation and experiments on the sun, randomization, and mathematical statistics. Who is this British statistician? A. Adam Smith, B. Marion Murphy, C. Sir Ronald Fisher, or D. Boscovich in the play. You have 30 seconds to answer the question.
I'm not quite sure, but I think it's letter B.
Are you sure?
Mercy.
Are you sure it's letter B?
I'm not that quite sure. But
If you're not sure, it's a check. You like to take the check? Or go with the one you said?
I just think it's it.
Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct. Your answer is B, Mario D. The correct answer is letter C, Sir Ronald Fisher. You may agree with me.